Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Nailmas day 2. I am going strong. I know I tried last year and I absolutely failed, but this year I'm going strong. I have things scheduled, I have things planned, so hopefully you will see an entire 12 days of Nailmas on this channel this year. So for this design, I'm going in for a really nice easy one. This is going to be another really quick tutorial for you. It's literally like a 3-minute tutorial. Just such an easy design and a quick one as well if you are someone who has clients and needs to get through people really quickly this Christmas time. So all I've done is painted Daisy on my thumb and my middle finger, and I'm going to be creating little trees on them. So for my tree colour, I'm using Knightsbridge, so I've just placed a little bit of that on my palette, and I am using the shader brush, I think it's from ERIN SEARLE, and I'm just picking up the colour and swiping it down. I mean, honestly, how easy is that? That's the easiest way ever to create some trees if you want a really effective but quick nail art look. Sticking that in the lamp and curing that fully before I go in and just add a little bit more detail, and then I move on to the thumb. You can see I'm just creating, again, trees, but in a little bit of a different style. So all I'm doing is keeping it really nice and simple. I am just doing a smaller triangle with a bigger triangle underneath. Again, I'm going to be adding a little bit more detail. So between this, I am going to be sticking it in the lamp and curing it for 60 seconds. If you are creating detailed design, I do recommend just giving the nail a little bit of a cleanse, just using a little gentle cleanser. Because having that kind of non-slippy surface just really helps if you are doing any detailed work on the nail. So once the first nail is out, I'm just using my, I think this is called the teeny one, again from ERIN SEARLE. We love her brush collection, they're amazing. And I'm just using jet black to create some little lines, just to create, like, this is just the easiest tree. It's like a very rustic kind of hand drawn, really cute vibe. I love that at Christmas time. I just think it's amazing. I'm going to be sticking that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I will go in and top coat it with a matte top coat. So the 2 white nails are going to have matte top coat on. The other nails that I work on are going to be shiny, so I'm using the Extreme Shine top coat, again curing for 60 seconds. It's just such an effective look. I love this design. It reminds me so much of the autumn nails I did last year. I'll leave a little card above if you want to go check them out, but it reminds me of that kind of like autumny vibe from last year. So yeah, on this part, I'm just applying a little bit of chocolate just at the bottom of the trees. I just wanted to create a bit of a tree trunk look. I just felt like it was missing something, but I thought if I outline it with black, it just might be a little bit harsh. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just going in and top coating all of the nails, and that's pretty much it. It's such a quick, easy but effective design, and I'm all about that at Christmas time because you are just pumping clients out one after the other. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on to catch up with the rest of Nailmas and all videos moving forward, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Holidays are coming round now. Winter is here, my favorite time of the year. I could get close to my dear, my baby. I could feel the breeze coming through. I could see me and you cuddled up underneath the mistletoe. Anything that you want, just let me know.